we see the water leak from here, and probably is from here, from the pump. I'm not sure it's from here. Let me see. So we gotta do a repair for this one. Probably change the whole union because the water is coming out from here. That is why in the pool you have less water. You're losing water from here when you run in the pool. So we're gonna repair this pipe because there was a leak here. So you're gonna use simple plumbing stuff here, and to repair this one to stop the water leak from the pool. Let's get started. So I cut it piece and make all this connection, and finally we have to put the glue here and here, and then we can finish the job. So right here I'm trying to glue this one. We have to put the primer first, and then I put the glue. This is the glue. Apply the glue in here first, and then here, right? And then we can glue this in together. So I put this in this, make it tight, make sure it's go in all the way in, yeah, and hold it for 10-20 seconds, then all the glue will set. Now we can make sure this one tight, this union. The reason I put this union is whatever pump has a problem, we can unscrew this union, and then we can take the pump for a repair easily. Right, so this job is done. We can run the pump and see and check any leak. If no leak, then we are good. Okay, tighten up. Okay, tighten up. Now we can wait a little bit for this glue. Put this away. We're gonna test run the pump and see. Just back a little bit. Okay. And so before we turn on the pump, this one was closed. Now we gotta open, and then we can run the pump and see. Water coming in. It takes some time. Good idea. We need to put a check valve here so that the water doesn't go back down to the pool because it's so high. The pool is there, and the equipment is here on the high ground, so it takes time to prime the water. Okay, now the water coming in slowly, and we can see the pressure is going up between like 16, 17, and we check for leak. If there any more leak, nothing, no visible leak, and then we are good. So the repair is done, and it will save the headache for the homeowner putting adding in water all the time when the water is low in the pool, so the leak problem is solved. It's from the pump. The heater was off. Okay, let's check the pool. It's been running great. The water moving nice. Close the gate all the time. Okay, the repair job is done. Nothing is leaked.